Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear and Grips. Today, we're diving into the Mahindra Thar Roxx, a rugged and stylish SUV that takes adventure to a whole new level. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a bold daily driver, the Thar Roxx has something special to offer. The Mahindra Thar Roxx is built on a solid platform that retains the DNA of the classic Thar but adds modern technology, more space, and better features. The first thing you'll notice is its imposing stance, thanks to the aggressive front grille, flared wheel arches, and 18-inch alloy wheels. The bold design is complemented by LED headlamps, DRLs, and a panoramic sunroof that adds a premium touch. Step inside, and you're greeted with a feature-packed cabin. The Thar Roxx comes with a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and ventilated front seats for added comfort. The interior is spacious, offering ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a practical option for long road trips. Under the hood, the Thar Roxx offers two powerful engine options: a 2.0-liter M-Stallion turbo-petrol engine producing 160 brake horsepower and 330 Nm of torque. A 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine that delivers up to 171 brake horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving you the flexibility to choose your driving experience. While the petrol version is available in rear-wheel drive, the diesel variant also offers a 4x4 option for hardcore off-roaders. Speaking of off-roading, the Thar Roxx excels in this department. It boasts a 41.7-degree approach angle, a 36.1-degree departure angle, and a 650 mm water weighting capacity. The inclusion of an electronic locking differential ensures maximum traction on challenging terrains, making it a true adventure machine. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Mahindra Thar Roxx is available in multiple variants, catering to different budgets and preferences. MX1 Petrol, RWD, MT, 12.99 Indian rupees lakh. MX1 Diesel, RWD, MT, 13.99 Indian rupees lakh. MX3 Petrol, RWD, at 14.99 Indian rupees lakh. MX3 Diesel, RWD, MT, 15.99 Indian rupees lakh. MX3 Diesel, RWD, at 17.49 Indian rupees lakh. MX5 Petrol, RWD, MT, 16.49 Indian rupees lakh. MX5 Petrol, RWD, at 17.99 Indian rupees lakh. MX5 Diesel, RWD, MT, 16.99 Indian rupees lakh. MX5 Diesel, RWD, at 18.49 Indian rupees lakh. AX3L Diesel, RWD, MT, 16.99 Indian rupees lakh. AX5L Diesel, RWD, at 18.99 Indian rupees lakh. AX7L Petrol, RWD, at 19.99 Indian rupees lakh. AX7L Diesel, RWD, MT, 18.99 Indian rupees lakh. AX7L Diesel, RWD, at Indian rupee 20.49 lakh. These are ex-showroom prices and may vary depending on your location. When it comes to safety and technology, the Thar Roxx doesn't hold back. It features a Level 2 ADAS suite, which includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the 360-degree surround camera and electronic stability program enhance overall driving confidence. To sum it up, the Mahindra Thar Roxx is a perfect blend of power, style, and modern technology. Whether you want to conquer tough terrains or cruise in comfort, this SUV has got you covered. With competitive pricing and feature-loaded variants, the Thar Roxx is undoubtedly one of the most exciting SUVs in its class. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear and Grips for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next one.